I'm going to try and get to Corby last effort. So, yeah, sure you're ready.
I need to stop once, but I reckon I can do it. But to be honest, with the weather being what it is, ideally I want to be back around 12 before the really bad rain kicks in for 1.
I was going to say, it's supposed to be a thunderstorm, isn't it?
Yeah, they're not predicting thunder till 3 or 4, but they're predicting heavy rain at 1, like torrential.
Oh! I've seen that speaker so many times. For some reason, when I looked at it then, it said redneck.
It is a redneck.
Got my redneck speaker, turns it on and it's like, yo, what's going on, guys? Because I had to take the bike and the thing down, so I could not fit the rack. I was like, what is wrong? Why can't I fit it? Because I've got this guard, that's why I couldn't work out how to fit it. Because it would not have gone on with the guard there.
I took my guard off.
Yeah, my man at the shop just got me a custom screw made. Like, he cut a screw down that he had that was too long with the right thread, cut it down and stuck it in for me.
Yeah, that looks mighty close to
The gear changes are all smooth. The only one that's not great is
up here and thing.
Well, yeah, that is pretty close.
That's what I'm saying.
yeah, I know. But I've been in the bottom gear and it's fine. There's no rubber or anything.
It's pretty
like that.
close.
Come out of the bottom gear as well, like in and out.
Yeah. Well, I'm not in it now.
Oh yeah.
This is that strawberry farm thing, isn't it? The buttery. There we go. Careful, Thorren.
Doing nothing.
The camera did.
It'll be interesting to see how much more stable the fucking is.
Yeah. I think next weekend might try to squeeze out another one on the Saturday.
On the Saturday I've got family barbecue, but I assume it starts in the evening.
I was only going to do a small one, just to have another video. and then everyone's got the Skeggy video to look forward to, which will be back like Monday, Tuesday, so the video probably won't be out till like Thursday, Friday. While going around a turn, and then I nearly just went into Jake on his fucking bad side.
It's alright. It wouldn't even worth it for the view.
My reactions are good though, so it's fine.
Oh shit.
I could just cut that as if I did hit. Is it that?
Oh my god, you're okay! It's Thorren's turn.
Huh? Way here.
That's usually the way I go to Skeggy. Straight through there, up to the right, take a fast left on your way. Road takes me all the way.
I still don't even know where we are.
Sit, how long have you sat there?
Well, you know when we were stopped, you messaged me then like, we're here.
I'd been there for about 10-ish minutes by then.
Ah. Shit. Jake of the jungle, watch out for the tree.
it. Yeah.
The fuck?
I want to know what's going on.
What?
Yeah, I just rode into it.
Oh, well
It was
done.
in front of the barrel.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
I saw the CCTV operation, I was like, yeah,
If that isn't the most accurately Scottish, like, missing letters ever. Agelhoose.
Oh, Russ? You don't recognise me because I've had a fucking haircut.
I don't feel me. I came here, mate.
That shouldn't move that easy.
Yeah, no. I just noticed it. Drift.
Shins going out. Alright, boys. You're off. Yeah, I'm going to cross service. Yeah.
Good to see you, mate. Take
Have
care.
a good day. I'll get more training in before.
Safe, mate.
Stay safe, boys.
See you later, man. Strawberry fields, strawberries. So we're going there and rob some. You can have some fresh strawberries for Skeggy. Need to outro the video, Jake.
One more training bike ride.
No. You know how all the videos end?
Yeah.
If you enjoyed the ride, like and subscribe.
Makes it sound like we're all fucking only fans.